आज हमने बेडरूम को पूरा का पूरा एकदम ढंग से किया है. Like,
so I really appreciate you being there in my life.
पटाखा like her mother, है ना? बताए my record time ये सबसे ज़्यादा hula hoop करने का is 8. And I like garlic in everything. This is the reality of doing multiple events in one day. She napped in the car. Her and I tried to keep each other awake in the car. Would you make too? Hello, good morning. No, afternoon. It is literally 1:15, and look who I have over here. Hi, bolne hai. Hi, bol do. Hi. How many of you recognize her? Leave a comment down below if you recognize who this little angel is. Actually, this little firecracker is. She's not an angel. She's a pataka, like her mother. है ना? This is Fatima. In case you don't remember who she is or don't know who she is, go watch the Eid vlog. Because Fatima is Feroza's daughter. Feroza is, I'm just going to give a quick recap for those of you who have not seen the Eid vlog. Feroza is my little sister. Let's say, aake hi bolegi. She's in cleaning mode. She's giving me flying kisses from there. Aake hi bol na. She used to work in our family and then she went to Gaon and then she got married and then she came back and now she works with my nani and she lives with my nani with this little angel. No angel, no pataka. You're a pataka. She just say things like, nahi meri baat suno Mashi, and Jerry thinks she's born to be a YouTuber. Kya bolti hai Fatima? Mama. Nahi? Kya bolti hai? Mama. Mamu. I'm looking heavier on camera for some reason and I am severely bloated. The period is here. क्या हो गया ऐसे क्यों देख रही है? चलिए कहीं कुछ बोलना नहीं है कैमरा को वरना तो पटर पटर. I have Feroza who has come in to help me today. Today is the 1st of May and I decided to spend the morning doing admin stuff. And I'm planning not to shoot at all today because Feroza has come from Nani's house to help me clean up around the house. I really want to just get the house in order. I think I've complained about this enough. I don't want to sound like a whiny, even though I realize I am sounding like a whiny. But basically, since she's there today, I want to sit and clean up everything around the house as much as possible. Organize as much as possible. We so far don't really have any word from our shortlist on the Book My Buy website, which is quite sad because they're like, oh, those girls aren't available. But then I'm like, if it's on your website and I clicked on shortlisting them, if they're not available, they shouldn't be available to shortlist, you know. So need to figure that out and definitely still on the look for permanent help. At least as of right now, today I have Feroza who is going to help me. I need to do my cupboard. I need to sort my office room severely. I need to put things in place in my PR cupboard. I need to get just a whole lot of things in order. So it's an organizing kind of a day. Let me give you a quick fit check because it might look like what is Anam wearing. She's looking a little bit weird. I'm wearing this Ganji with an inbuilt sports bra that I picked up. If you've seen my US hauls, you know that I picked this up in actually 2 colors, a really nice brown as well as this white. I am severely bloated at the moment and it's more than usual, but that's also because I'm on some medication, hormonal supplements from my gynac, and it's just affecting my body in ways I haven't experienced before. Just keeping it very real. At the same time, I am wearing these lovely brown joggers that I bought online. I can leave a link into these because these I did buy in India and I actually have them in brown and grey and they're both so comfortable. So I'll leave links for this one down below. And yeah, I'm off to a cleany day. This is looking too low in person, it's not, but like camera pe it is. और ये तो है ही, देखिए किसी पे कोई रात है। देखिए रोटियां हैं और इसको मक्खन में लेके हल्का सा तवे पे करते याद है। और उसमें अच्छा तो इसको रोटी के ऊपर करके दोनों 2 रोटी लेने का, दोनों को बटर पे सेकने का, ये मसाले के साथ भर देने का है और एक साइड पे मसाला डालेगी, फिर उसके ऊपर समझ रोटी है मसाला डालेगी, फिर एक चीज का स्लाइस डालेगी, फिर दूसरी रोटी, याद आया? और फिर 4 टुकड़े में करके वो करके देना हाथ धो के। क्या बोलते हैं भूल गई कैसे दिया। Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good job. My Chotu? Who's my Chotu? Me. Say me. Me. Fatima. My Mittu? Who's my Mittu? Who's Mittu are you? Mashi ka Mittu hai? What me? Who's my Mittu? She is my Mittu. You're also my Mithi. Okay.
Not also.
And she is also my Mithi. Come, I'll give you some Mithi. He wants to be my Mithi. Like, can somebody tell him that he can't be my Mithi? Mithi is like a thing you say to children and pets. Mithi.
What were you giving? Giving or taking?
Copy.
Mithi, okay? You're also my Mithi.
Not also.
Okay. You're my Mithi.
Mamu.
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 Mamu. अरे आंसर हो, आगे बोलो।
Mamu.
उसको सिर्फ मामू ही बोलना था। अच्छा, काम नहीं था। अच्छा चलो खाना खाओ। मामू की बच्ची, मामू की बच्ची। नहीं यार, मैं हीरा मंडी देख रही हूँ अभी। मेरे खाने के बाद आप कार्टून देखो, ठीक है? मैं काम करने जाऊंगी तभी आप बैठ के कार्टून देखो। चिप्स खाएंगे ना आप? एक जगह पे बोल के साथ बैठ के खाएंगे प्रॉपर्ली, इधर उधर नहीं गिराएंगे ना? गुड गर्ल। कहाँ बैठेंगे? बाहर बैठेंगे मामू के पास। चिप्स खाओ, यमी यमी चिप्स। और अगर आपको और चाहिए तो बोलना, ओके? 2 हैंड्स, दोनों हाथ से लो, जाओ बाहर मामू के पास बैठो, कुछ गिराना नहीं, ओके? बिस्तर के अंदर से चीजें कितने, आई थिंक 2 सालों बाद निकली है इस कमरे में। इस कमरे में चलने की जगह नहीं है। आई नीड टू फिल्टर आउट कि क्या रखना है, क्या फेंकना है, क्या देना है, क्या डोनेट करना है, किसका क्या करना है, पता नहीं क्या करूं अब। ये लो,
इसको इसमें से निकाले था ना?
हाँ, ये वो लाल वाले का है। इन सब के मैचिंग रखते जाएंगे।
नहीं, इसका कवर
नहीं, उसी के अंदर से मैंने निकाला था। ये सब लाल वाले। हाँ, लाल है और उधर बाकी का भी लाल रखा हुआ है। ट्राई टू मेक श्योर कि बिस्तर एक्सीडेंटली भी इसका हाइड्रोलिक गिर ना जाए. पहले मेरे कंधे पे गिरेगा, फिर खुदा ना खास्ता फिर हो जाता.
वीडियो करिए. अरे
इसके लिए मैंने अपना कंधा यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है. मैं यहाँ से पासिंग द पार्सल खेल रही हूँ और फिरोजा अंदर सजा रही है. ये थोड़ा वाइडर वाला व्यू है, सो यू गेट प्रॉपर कॉन्टेक्स्ट के हो क्या रहा है यहाँ पे. लिटरली जगह नहीं है. वी आर लेइंग पासिंग द पार्सल एंड ऑर्गेनाइज. मुझे लगा था कि आज मैं अपने ऑफिस का भी रूम कर पाऊंगी, बट एक्चुअली अच्छा अगर हम नहीं करें, बिकॉज आज हमने बेडरूम को पूरा का पूरा एकदम ढंग से किया है, लाइक जम के किया है. हमारा बिस्तर कभी पूरी तरह से बंद नहीं होता था. कुछ ना कुछ चीजें वो डिसऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड केप्ट एकदम ऊपर नीचे. ऑल थैंक्स टू दिस कैंपर. Okay, it's time to taste test this new Maggi, and Jerry says it's so spicy I won't be able to eat it. But to be fair, I put 3 out of the 4 that came in the packet for the spicy garlic version of the Maggi that I just spotted on Swiggy Instamart. And I also put in 2 of the regular Maggi masala packets, जो extra मिलते हैं. तो जितना spicy होना था मैंने उससे ज़्यादा मसालेदार तो कर ही दिया है, क्योंकि मुझे वो extra वाले packets डालने की आदत है. I'm salivating because it smells good. And the name has garlic, and I like garlic in everything, and I like lots of garlic in everything. Spicy, but I like that I put the masala because then I can taste the earlier. Like it's a blend of the OG Maggi as well as the spicy garlic version. You don't like it at all? Can you give us a little review, sir? It's all right. Not great? You
For those.
okay? I think I might also. But since we have this here, I'm obviously going to go ahead and finish it. Anamashi, you should वो भी लाओ last वाला piece. मैं ये कितना हुला हुप कर देती हूँ. बताए my record time ये सबसे ज़्यादा हुला हुप करने का is 18 minutes. 18 मिनट में हुला हुप करके खड़ी रही हूँ. जब मैं बहुत करती थी और जब मैं ज्यादा पतली थी और ज्यादा फिट भी थी. अब मुझे नहीं लगता कि मुझे करने आता भी है. हटो पीछे, आपको लगेगा. हटो मामा. फिक्स नहीं किया गया था. क्या किया गया था? ये तो सैबोटाज हो गया. मैं फेल हो गई. रुको, मैं बराबर से फिक्स करती हूँ. ओके, मुझे वो दे दो. ओके, सब टाइट हो गए. रुको, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ, फिर आप भी करना. ओके, 1 पीछे हटो. 1 2 3. यार 1 सेकेंड, पहले कर सकती थी मैं. 18 मिनट तक का करती थी मैं यार. अब नहीं. आई थिंक मेरा शर्ट भी जो है ना वो फिसला वाला फैब्रिक है यार. मैं कर सकती हूँ. मैं 18 मिनट कर रही हूँ मैं. पीछे हटो, आपको लगेगा. मेरा शर्ट भी और मेरा फिटनेस सब गया. Hi, good morning. It is 8:58 a.m. this bright, sunny 2nd May morning, and it's already been a little bit of a weird, slightly exhausting morning for me. I'll tell you why really quickly. My eyes opened up at about 5:40ish, and I wasn't able to fall back asleep. One thing about me is that अगर मेरी आँखें खुल जाती है ना तो मैं वापस सो नहीं सकती. I know some people are like वापस सो जाओ. Some people can go to sleep rather. I am one of those probably like I should say unlucky people जो एक बार आँख खुल जाती है सुबह के टाइम पे. ऐसे नहीं कि मैं सुबह के 4 बजे रात के 3 बजे उठूँ तो मैं नहीं सो सकती हूँ. बट अगर एक बार सनलाइट दिख गई मेरी आंखों को तो मैं वापस सो नहीं सकती हूँ। हल्का सा जो क्रैक ऑफ डॉन वाला सनलाइट था मुझे दिख गया एंड आई रियलाइज्ड कि मैं वापस अब नहीं सो पाऊंगी. I got up and I said, okay, what can I do? Actually, I should have gone for a walk. Fitness, wanting to be fit. Anam, that is telling herself and is looking for gym options since the last 2 days. Should have just gotten up and gone for a walk, but it's really hot outside, you guys, which is why I'm considering a gym instead of, going outside. हमारे building में जो gym process में है वो फिलहाल process में ही है. हमारा पूल एक्टिव हो गया है, लेकिन अगेन इट्स टू हॉट एंड मुझे थोड़ी ना रोज रोज बैठ के अपना बाल धोना है. लाइक इट्स जस्ट एन इनकन्वीनियंस बिकॉज ऑफ माई वर्क मोर देन एनीथिंग एल्स. आई कांट लाइक जस्ट कीप वॉशिंग, स्टाइलिंग, ब्लो ड्राइंग माई हेयर एवरी सिंगल डे एंड एनीवे आई एक्सपोज माई हेयर टू सो मच ऑफ हीट. एनीवे आई एम डाइग्रेसिंग. Where was I going with this, dude? Yeah, so I said, okay, let's work. I had some footage I needed to download to start editing a couple of vlogs here and there. And I said, ठीक है, ये डाउनलोड पे डाल देती हूँ एंड देन जब ये डाउनलोड हो जाएगा, जिसको कम से कम 10 मिनट लगेंगे, मैं काम करना जल्दी शुरू कर दूंगी. बिकॉज एनीवे लाइक नाउ आई हैव टू गो फॉर एन इवेंट. तो ऐसे चलो मॉर्निंग का अच्छा यूज हो जाएगा. I came back in to check on Jerry. He was asleep. Put a couple of things in order in my bedroom. And what happened right after that? Somehow, बैठे बैठे मेरी आँख लग गई. And mind you guys, ये कभी नहीं होता है. When I tell you कभी नहीं होता है, ये कभी नहीं होता है. I literally am never able to fall back asleep. It is something I struggle with. And I wish I had it in me to be able to fall back asleep when required. You know what I mean? I mean, if you are in the same zone as me or you have the same problem as me, you will understand. आज ही जब मुझे वापस नहीं जाना था, like because मैं उठ चुकी थी, footage डाउनलोड के लिए रख चुकी थी and all of that, I was like, damn it, I fell asleep. चलो फिर कोई नहीं. I still woke up. I woke up at my usual time around 7:10, 7:15ish, and when I woke up at 7:10, 7:15ish, I put the geyser on. I selected the outfit I wanted to wear. Where is my Fenty skin tint? And I got into bed to check my phone. I don't typically check my phone at all in the mornings. Huh? Like I'm someone who's very particular about that because वो एक बार चालू कर लो, it sucks you in. एक ऐप चेक करोगे, दूसरा ऐप चेक करोगे, तीसरा ऐप चेक करोगे, उसी में मेरा morning waste हो जाता है नहीं तो. So I happened to come back, check my phone because I just put the geyser on. The geyser literally takes a minute to heat up. And somehow I fell back asleep again. I don't know how this is happening today. I don't know why it's happening today, but I hate that it's happening. That I can assure you on. Because eventually what landed up happening was that I woke up at around 8:15. And that is लेट फॉर मी इन जनरल. ठीक है चलो खैर कोई नहीं. अब मैं उतने बजे उठ भी जाऊँ तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरा दिन खराब जाएगा या दिन लेट जाएगा. बिकॉज वन ऑफ द एडवांटेजेस आई हैव ऑफ माई जॉब इज मैं अपने हिसाब से 10 साढ़े 10 बजे ही काम शुरू करती हूँ विद द टीम. अपने आप जो पहले कर पाती हूँ तब तक का सब टीम के साथ जो होता है 10:30-11 बजे ही शुरू होता है. एंड आई ऑल्सो वॉन्टेड टू फिल्म दिस गेट रेडी विथ मी एंड नाउ आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनी ऑफ दैट. नाउ आई जस्ट हैव इनफ टाइम to get ready, may or may not have time to have breakfast and then leave. We're doing 2 events today. They're not exactly back to back, but one is in South Bombay all the way at Opera House and the other one is back in Megumi in Santa Cruz, actually this side. So let's see how the day pans out. I am picking up Janvi and I think Gopali is coming as well. For the first event and then only Janvi and I will go for the second event. At least that is the plan as of right now. I love the way my skin is looking. कोई lighting नहीं है and मैं automatic lighting पे setting पे रखी हूँ, so I don't know how much my dewy skinness is going to come through. This skin tint is also like amazing. This is the outfit I'm planning to wear. By the way, I know I've worn it like before at some point, maybe last year. But I'm super comfortable with repeating my outfits. I feel like I can't possibly keep buying new outfits for every event. It's really not sustainable. बहुत खर्चा हो जाएगा. Says the girl who went on an accidental shopping spree last night. Wow, Anam, guts. I may or may not have placed a huge online shopping order last night, but I will not get into that in this video because I will do a haul and I will tell you why and how I got into that haul. Can't get words out of my mouth this morning. I won't talk about that now, is the point. Anyway, let me finish glam. I'll show you glam later and we'll catch up in some time. The noisy fan is here still very much. I really need to bloody fix it. This is what the glam is finally looking like. I really like the way the makeup turned out despite a makeup accident. I had to take off all of my under eyes and do them all over again after finishing my makeup look. So there's that. Also, I have this bow thing going on at the back. I don't know how I feel about it because it's not usually me, but because both are such a big trend, I'm kind of loving that whole soft girl aesthetic that's coming through. I'll insert some clips over here of my outfit in snippets right now also. And then Jerry went ahead and told me, are you seriously going to wear a bow? And I'm like, now I don't know if I should wear it or not wear it because I was in my soft girl zone. And then he's like, no, you're going to a brand event. Are you sure you want to wear it? I'm confused. Should I take it off? Should I keep it? Janvi and Gopali are running around 15 minutes late, so I think I have time to grab a quick jam toast kind of a breakfast. I was gonna skip breakfast otherwise, and I'll get down when they're leaving. So we'll reach a common meeting point. I'll pick them up from there at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna try and grab something to eat while I subconsciously continue to think about whether I should wear this bow or not. Janvi is on camera. Gopali, Janvi and I are twinning. Twinning ka teen ka kya bolte?
Tripling, yeah.
We're literally in the same colors. Completely
Yes.
back.
Pink and white, pink and white, pink and
अपने
white.
आपको भी दिखा दो.
दिखा दिया मैंने.
And we are on the way to, and they think my bow works.
Yes, it looks super cute.
Guys, you're gonna send that clip to Jerry. We're on the way to the Airbnb event. By the way, Janvi Kapoor is going to be there. We're apparently seeing her house for the first time. Like, I'm guessing it's a video. Right?
Yes.
But I've seen her Chennai house on one of the YouTube channels.
Same.
Why they're saying it's never been revealed before?
Maybe it's some new one. You never know.
Yeah, that's possible. So that's what we're going to go to and
Yes.
find out more details.
I'm excited. Me too. Janvi meets Janvi.
Yeah.
Let's go.
We're going to be taking the coastal road for the first time. I still haven't gone on it, so I'm feeling like some excited tourist about it. And I want to see what all the like hoo-ha is all about.
But यहाँ पे rush क्यों है?
ये सी लिंक पे हमेशा रश होता है इस वक्त. पीक आवर्स में हम ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं.
God damn.
वेलकम टू मुंबई लाइफ.
Yes, मैं गई हूँ but peak hours में नहीं गई I think.
यहाँ पे तो
इधर पूरे टाइम तो पीकार्स रहते हैं.
नहीं, जो ये एक्चुअल कॉर्पोरेट वाले पीकार्स है ना, बहुत भयानक होते हैं. बहुत ही ज्यादा भयानक होते हैं. So apparently only one side of the road has opened up, the one that takes you from this side further to the south. Coming back, there's no coastal road open yet, वो बाकी है. But clearly काम अभी
It's one-sided.
for now. एक तरफा इश्क.
एक तरफा इश्क.
तरफा इश्क.
I love the Urdu words that you say.
Yeah.
Yours are more एकदम ऐसे फूल की तरह आते हैं बाहर.
I can read Urdu now.
Oh.
I can read Urdu, Arabic. The Quran I've read a few times. So it's you have to pronounce the nuktas
Yes, you do it very well. That's what I learned. Thank you for it.
Khairiyat, one khairiyat.
from the epiglottis.
Yeah. Give me that khairiyat.
Khairiyat.
I always try to pronounce it.
Khairiyat.
Khairiyat.
No.
Khairiyat.
You're saying khairiyat.
Huh.
It's not khairiyat.
Huh?
It's khairiyat. From here. Khairiyat.
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 Okay. I always,
Very
I've
different.
always heard people using those words. I'm like, dude, they are very different.
मतलब क्या होता है?
Just watch one or two Paki shows for a while.
What does that mean?
Aapki like, how are you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well-being.
Urdu classes with
The entire wedding squad is pretty much here.
Bride squad.
Bride squad. I don't think I can say bride squad because Adu and May are here. So Adu May.
They're a part of it. It's fine.
No, they're not bride squad. You can't make them bride squad.
They are.
Bride squad? No, you're not bride squad. Don't worry. We're not making you bride squad.
Guards.
Ready?
Ready. So high off the ground we float.
applause for gorgeous Janvi Kapoor things.
Hi everybody. Wow, it's so dead. Okay, everybody's hungry.
We meet again.
Yeah, long time. It's literally, I can hear my stomach. I don't know if anybody else can, but I know I can. This is the reality of doing multiple events in one day. She napped in the car. Her and I tried to keep each other awake in the car. And we are now headed for the Laneige event. How much Uno you will play? How much Spotted you will play in life? A lot. How much is a lot?
Uno.
Which Uno?
Mama.
You don't want to play Spotted instead? I'd rather play Spotted than Uno.
One round of Uno against
Rayan?
one round of Uno.
No, let's do Spotted.
One round of Uno.
Okay, alright. I'm so sleepy, you guys. Because I've been up since 5 a.m. pretty much. I tried to sleep a little bit. Like I did sleep a little bit in the middle.
At 8 o'clock in the morning.
Even if you are from 5, it's not that tiring.
No, it's not. Okay.
No, because like in Ramzan, I got up for Shahri and I didn't sleep and I had school the same day and I had tuitions and all and I didn't eat or drink anything and I wasn't that tired.
I'm exhausted. I've been driving. I went to town. I finished an event. I had lunch with the girls. Then we went to a second event. It's really hot.
I am hotter than car.
Now I'm here. I'm going to play a game of Uno and then I'm going to leave. No Spotted. Only Uno. Going to Janvi Gopali's house for a quick chai sesh and then headed home. Feeling so tired. I love I got that shot, but Auntie's looking so cute in a dress and everything. And Auntie's made chai and got Punjab Sweet House samosas.
Yum!
Which,
I'm having them for the first time.
and they're garam also.
Yes, garam chai samosa. Now this actually feels like home.
Auntie, thank you. Thank you so much. Literally cutest auntie award goes to her. Like I cannot tell you. Jerry wants to meet you, auntie. Jerry ने मुझे बोल रखा auntie को मिलना है. Jerry is, you know how Jerry is. वो कितना shy.
Very introvert.
यशवी के साथ भी बहुत मजा आते हैं. हम लोग खूब गपशप मार के आपको मैं जेरी जीजू से मिलवाऊंगी.
You don't have to call him Jiju. ये तो सबको जीजू बुलाती है. I am back home and I just need to absolutely tell you. See, when something's on the side, it goes into focus because that's closer to camera. I'm back home. I've taken the lashes off, the single lashes that I'm wearing from Chris, and I want to give you Kiss, not Chris. And I want to give you a quick review of what I think of them. I think that the first time wear and maybe even the second time wear is doable. I tried to repeat some of the lashes the third time and they just wouldn't stick. So literally today, my right eye had third time wear lashes and my left eye had first time wear lashes. So I was finding this side more wispy and more like fluttery versus this side was nice, but it was an older lash. So I wouldn't do a beauty shoot with two different types of wear lashes. I'm pretty sure I'm going back to my regular verified strip lashes from here. I love the verified ones. Literally so many people tell us that they have completely switched over from well-known brands to the verified lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and leave a discount code for you on the screen right now, just in case you want to go ahead and try them. Might be a good time for you to give them a go. I wanted to go ahead and take my makeup off as well, but then I realized it would be interesting for me to apply this Laneige mask that launched today, sleeping mask. And so I thought it would be nice to kind of unbox this PR. But can I quickly just mention that I had the nicest time at Janvi Gopali's house. Their mom has my heart. She is such a Jan, and Jerry's been wanting to meet her as well, so we definitely want to do something with them sometime soon, in the sense like have them over for lunch or something. They're just such nice, warm, simple, down-to-earth people. I'm just grateful that Mridul kind of introduced us, because it was Mridul who did introduce us. I just want to put that out there. Just positive vibes, and I love that. Let's open this Laneige package first. And we also have an Airbnb PR. I don't know what they've put in your neighbors. Yeah, the minute I get into PR, always notice she pops in and pops her butt to my camera. They have announced Sara Tendulkar as their new brand ambassador. They've got a water sleeping mask, a Sika sleeping mask, and a bouncy and firm sleeping mask. This is what they look like. I'd be happy to go ahead and leave links into these down below in the description section for you. None of this is sponsored. I was just invited, and I know that Laneige stuff in general is so good. So I want to explore what's inside. There's another envelope in here. Hello there, we extend a heartfelt gratitude for gracing us. Okay, it's basically a thank you for attending, a kind of a card over here. We've got a very cute canvas pouch. Pouches like this I love to keep as well. They have, I know what this is actually because I did see Janvi open this PR kit, so I know kind of what's inside. Because I wanted to reach for it, I decided to do this on camera. We have, Jerry, can you guess what this is? Feels really nice to the touch, nice and weighty. Woo! Not bad. It's a gua sha, and it feels really nice and weighty, not like cheap and flimsy at all. And it's a really unique shape. I love that it's white. I love that it has its own sleeve. Definitely something I'm going to add to my collection. We have the bouncy and firm sleeping mask. Mind you, this is for your face skin. It isn't for your lips. There's a travel size and there's a full size. We're going to try the full size one today once I take my makeup off. There's a very cute scrunchy situation going on over here. And then you have a nice cute Nebu. Move, baby. We have an eye mask going on over here. I don't know if I'm going to wear this because I do have one at the moment by my bedside. But I can keep that for backup for sure because I do like sleeping with eye masks on. Let's also go ahead and open the Airbnb PR kit while Nibble completely flashes you guys with her butt. Opening this up, let's see what's inside. Thank you so much for joining us today. We cannot wait for you to discover the extraordinary experiences from the world's greatest icons on Airbnb. We've got a whole lot of paper shavings, which I'm not going to take out because Nibbles is going to get a little too excited. We have a Confetti Gifts jasmine scented candle. I'm trying to be off candles, but they find me. And we have a couple of other things as well. We have an Airbnb branded water bottle. I think this is the same one, yeah, that shows you the temperature on top. I think YouTube gave us something like this recently in the form of a sipper. And this is more of a bottle. And then we've got some Embrace the Earth friendly unboxing experiences. What's inside? Can you open this for me while I move on to the next item? We've got some, oh, Jerry is gonna love this. We've got some Leo Madras blend roast and ground coffee, which Jerry is going to love. While Jerry opens that one item that I cannot get around to opening, let me tell you why my energy might seem a little bit low. It's because I'm having a little bit of a bummed hour, I should call it. I met the potential house help today. She said yes, we agreed on everything. Everything was great. She was going to come in with the things at about 7 p.m. At around 7:20, 7:25, I called her up and I said, hey, you are going to come? Are you on your way? Because she lives very close by. And she said, she's an older lady. She must be like in her late 50s, early 60s. She said, actually, mere ghar mein much ho gaya hai. I'm not going to be able to take up the job. If you can wait for 2 months, wait, and then I'll come and work with you. I really want to work with you, but I need 2 months to start. And I was so bummed out because like I feel like there's this looming curse over my head where I can't find house help. I just don't know what's happening, you guys. I don't know what's happening. I truly, honestly do not know what's happening. And that's why I'm a little bummed because I thought that we finally got some help today. Turns out not. Okay, inside this we have Organic India certified honey. I love me some honey always. I literally have a collection of honey jars. So thank you very much Airbnb and Laneige for your very lovely PR. I'm going to go take my makeup off. Let me take you along with me while I'm not feeling chatty because internally I know I'm feeling a little bit gloomy. I'll show you the products I'm using and then we can go ahead and do a first impressions of this for sure. normally I would put an essence and then a moisturizer, but I want to see what this does by itself. So let's jump straight into this. See how my skin feels before I go to bed. Does this get absorbed? Does it still stay like this till I'm going to bed? What does it feel like by tomorrow morning? All of these questions I have. Right now it feels really nice and hydrated.
It is 9:15. I'm exhausted. I finished my dinner. I finished some admin work, some editing vlog work. I'm in bed. I'm tired, and very frankly, I'm just a little bit low because of this whole house hunt. So, house help hunt. House hunt is a separate conversation. My God, it's been going on far too long. Just coming on here to end the vlog. Thank you for hanging out with me. Every time I start talking to the camera or the phone camera in this particular case, I start feeling like I'm talking to a friend, and life has been a little bit lonely of late. So I know I'm around a lot of people and this and that, but वो जो अंदर की loneliness है वो इतनी आसानी से नहीं जाती. So I really appreciate you being there in my life, and I really appreciate you being and making this a safe space on the internet. If you made it so far into the vlog, this yellow heart emoji is what I feel like. Because I feel like it just denotes so much love and friendship and just bright ray of sunshine that I'm craving. Not literally, because ये गर्मी में मैं मर जाऊंगी. Just the warmth of companionship, friendship, whatever it is that all of us have here for each other. You guys in the comments talking is so wholesome. I feel like getting to interact with you in the comments is so wholesome. You know, I'm always reading, liking, hearting, and responding to your comments. And to some people that might seem like such a okay, she replies, so it's like a basic thing, but I really enjoy it and it makes my day. I take out multiple pockets through the day to sit and reply, and it just really, it's the highlight of my day. So I appreciate you. I love you. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I will most likely start a new vlog tomorrow because I have been vlogging pretty much every single day. So I will see you soon. I love you so much.